Hi, this is Lynda at Capricorn Quilting. Just want to discuss the micro handles with you today. They're extremely useful and I love mine, I have to say. You have the same controls on these handles, your micro handles, and this is the unit, as you do on your normal handles. If you are lucky enough to have the Infinity, you have the handles that are all integrated and you can manoeuvre them and reposition them as and when you will into all kinds of different positions. These you can get and it will go on the Avante, the 16s, etc. They are brilliant. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just attach you to the machine so you can get a little bit of a look as to how we work. I will do a little bit with the machine from here to the outlines of the feathers, and then I will do a one later on where I will show you how I'm going to do the fills, and that will show you how close to the foot I have the machine, or the handles should I say, so I can work on them. Okay, here we go, enjoy. Okay, here we go. I have my machine set at 16 stitches per inch, and at the moment I've got my cruise at 6%. You may want it a little bit faster, you may not want it on at all, but that's just what I work with at the moment. So I'm going to rest my wrists and my forearms very, very lightly on top of the bar, the top bar. This, I find, gives me just a little bit more control over the movement of the machine. I'll just do a few for you, and then what I will do is, when I get to the filling in all these areas, I will show you how I use the handles right down close to the needles. So you've got a chance of seeing both in action, and also the manoeuvrability of the handles. Okay, so here we go. And as you can see, that little bit of a cruise setting, just make sure that the needle comes up out of the fabric for me and I'm not actually dragging it across it. As you can see, some of these are quite tiny. The blue lines are a guide only, just so I've got some consistency with size and style. This is where the cruise comes in, all the way down there, that's it. Now these are not large feathers at all, hence the stitches per inch at 16. Okay, I'll just give you a needle there so you can see the size. So that's the needle, and that's the size of the stitching. Okay, I'll show you the other bits shortly. Okay, bye.